Google has shown off the Pixel 5 again.
On their Twitter?
Yeah, on their Twitter. It was Japan, Google Japan. On their Twitter, they just did, you know, a quick, friendly little Pixel 5 post. You know, you scroll down a little bit, you can see it. You know, just a friendly one, no big deal. You've seen it anyways, who cares? Well, apparently they were a bit too soon because they yanked it down. But it's no surprise to us that we can just basically say it now with absolutely 100% confidence, unless everybody is trolling us, including Google themselves, which I don't think so. That'd be a real long-term troll. That's what your Pixel 5 is going to look like. And an interesting takeaway here, Will, is to think about how much we've heard about the Pixel 5 and how little we've heard about the XL product. It's weird. It's like all the leaks now are really focused in on this one model, this one Pixel 5 model. So I don't know what that means. There's supposed to be this Pixel 4a 5G as well, which is the name I hate most of any smartphone in 2020. If they go with it, of course, we don't have to wait long because tomorrow's the event. Tomorrow or today when you're watching this video. In fact, so that would be September 30th. And we're going to get all the details for real from Google. And maybe even a device.
Yes.
Maybe even our very own Pixel 5 to evaluate. You know we're going to try out that camera. You know we're gonna be staring at that incredible processing that goes on inside the stock camera app. You know that's what we're going to be doing.
Oh, yeah.